Some animals have powers that seem almost impossible. They can regrow entire body parts, from limbs to organs to whole bodies. Here are 6 animals that can literally rebuild themselves. What if you could regrow your entire arm? Starfish can. If a starfish loses one of its arms, it can grow a brand new one. And in some cases, a single arm can regenerate into an entire new starfish. It's like cloning, but in the wild. This animal might have the most powerful healing ability on Earth. The axolotl can regrow its legs, tail, spinal cord, and even parts of its heart. Lose a limb? No problem. Within weeks, it grows back perfectly, like nothing ever happened. Most animals would never recover from losing a limb. But salamanders are different. They can regrow their legs, tails, and even parts of their organs. Scientists are studying them right now, hoping humans might one day heal the same way. This tiny worm has a superpower that sounds impossible. Cut a Planarian in half, and both halves grow into 2 completely new worms. Even a tiny piece can regenerate an entire body. It's one of the most extreme examples of regeneration in nature. Ever seen a lizard drop its tail? It's not an accident. Many lizards can detach their tails to escape predators. But the crazy part is what happens next. Within weeks, the tail grows back. Losing a claw might sound like the end for a crab, but not for this one. Fiddler crabs can regrow their claws after losing them. With each molt, the claw slowly grows back until it's fully restored. Imagine if humans could regenerate like this. Which animal ability would you want? Discover more incredible facts. Visit our YouTube channel, Animals Uncovered USA.